Now to Habib's story. He escaped from Saudi Arabia and an abusive employer but has landed straight into a jail in Jaipur. Shambhavi Rai has more on the man who managed to so easily flout India's aviation security.
To the world, he is the man who sparked an alarm by illegally entering an international flight from Saudi Arabia to India. But Habib Hussain is far from being a terrorist. Yes, he has broken the law. But why did he do it? Hussein's brother Jalaluddin sums it up very emotionally.
पूछा भी नहीं इसके बाद जो क्या भैंस भी पाल के अपना बसी की जमीन भी बो सके अब तो इतना भी नहीं इस पर सहारा अब तो बस हम है और अल्लाह है वो.
Habib says he went to the Gulf 6 months ago to earn a decent living, but instead he was ill-treated by his employers who threatened to kill him.
पैसे नहीं थे, बहुत परेशान था, मारे थे वो बहुत ज्यादा, बकरी चुगवावे थे वो. फिर उसके बाद मैंने अपने देश का आने का प्लान करा. मैं जो फ्लैट में छुप कर आया था. कैसे छुपे आप? किसी हाजी का बैग लेकर चढ़ा था मैं अपने बचाव के लिए. वहाँ वो मारने का प्लान था उन लोगों को.
As Habib is being led away by the police for questioning after being remanded to 6 days in police custody, his wife and 2 children are waiting for him to return to their home in Muradabad district in Uttar Pradesh. They say he sold his land in Buffalo for a better paying job in the Gulf.
पता न जाने कौन से काम पे उन्होंने लगवाया, जाके वो बतावे ही ना आए. हम उनसे पूछे तो भाई सिर्फ रोल लगे.
We'll be taking their statements also as to what has happened, how this person came on board and how he could not be detected.
The law as usual is taking its own course. Poverty, hunger and torture might have forced Habib to escape from his employers in the Gulf. It also shows the level of desperation of a man who pursued an Indian dream for petrodollars, ending up as a nightmare that he can't escape for a long time now. With Bureau Inputs, in New Delhi, Shambhavi Rai.